Hi everyone, my name is Christine Pierre and this is my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. And today I'll be doing a review of the Done For You service by Ariella, Lorio and Wesley Virgin. So this particular service, which I have been doing for the past few months, is exactly what it says, done for you. It shows you how to be an affiliate marketer. So you're probably wondering, what is this affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is selling someone else's product and you get a commission on it, basically. Please stay tuned while I show you how this Done For You program shows you step by step and trains you how to go about doing affiliate marketing on social media such as YouTube and Facebook. So this is the Done For You service program. When you first purchase it, you have to basically open an account, and this is what it looks like. And it shows you step-by-step videos how to go about using the entire program, how to get a domain, how to convert your domain using YouTube ads or using the Done For You ad. And the greatest thing about this particular program is that they have developers that are willing to work with you. So they basically give you all the tools to make sure you are successful, and they make sure you get your first sale, and then you go forward from there. You follow the training step by step from there. This particular Digistore is how you get paid. So they will set up everything for you in how you are getting paid with this particular program, making sure that you get sales. So this is a win-win. This is a win-win type of training. So you have the YouTube ads. So how to get a landing page, how to get your first campaign. The developers say about your getting your G tag, and everything basically they do via email. So not all the time you have to be calling them and contacting them. You just send them an email and they have persons that work around the clock walking you through the process. Then there is the Facebook ads. The Facebook ads, you basically joining the Facebook team, the Done For You team group, and any questions or any issues you're having, you post it in the group and someone will assist you. If you're not getting through via email, you post any questions, any issues that you are having in the group, and someone will assist you in how to go about fixing the issue. So as you can see, it's really done for you. As we were talking about, the most important part for a lot of persons is how to get paid, how they're getting paid. So you're getting paid through Digistore. So they're showing you how you get paid, how to become an affiliate, how you be able to promote this particular product, and meditations is showing you how to meditate. If it is you're meditating correctly, if you're doing visualizations correctly. And this particular program also, we meet every Tuesday night. So let's say the program has 4,000 persons. You have to reach early because we have a Zoom session every single week on a Tuesday night. And these are all the sessions here that you can look over when you choose, because there are trainings in the sessions. So as you can see, this particular program, they give you everything. They give you everything, and as you see, everything is done for you. So now that you have seen the Done For You program, please feel free to click the link below and be your own boss today.